Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the world's worst ceiling fan, quite literally. What we have here is a Panama fan company, later known as CM Electronics gear drive. It is infamously known as the can opener because of how loud and obnoxious this fan is. It is gear driven. There's a tiny little motor in there that turns a small plastic gear, which in turn turns the rotor. The entire fan is made of plastic. This is plastic, that's plastic, that's plastic, even the screws are plastic. This is like a very fake, very light, flimsy wood. The only thing that's metal is the downrod, obviously the yoke inside the canopy, and then the motor itself. Single speed. It has a pull cord, not a pull chain. This will be going in the Fanimation Museum to replace the one that was removed. Obviously you can tell, gear drive, it's very, very loud. I have it on a clip up there to clear the Newtone veranda behind it. These fans were basically disposable. They cost $20 to $25, and they never appeared in a showroom. They were magazine order only, which is how they swindled people into buying these stupid things. But anyway, there you go. That is my CM Electronics gear drive, soon to be in the Fanimation Museum. Hope you enjoyed.